Welcome! In front of me I have 70MAI Saphir and I'm gonna show you how to install additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to install additional watch faces on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with the phone via the MyMoFit application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the MyMoFit application on the phone and that is paired with our watch. Actually, let me reopen it. So I'm gonna close it and open it. Like this. And once you open the app, you should see the Today page or home page of the app. Now tap on the device icon right here at the bottom of the screen to open the device page. And on this page, you should see your Saphir Watch. And under it, there should be this category called Watch Face. Tap on this category to open the Watch Face page, and here we have local. This is the list of watch faces installed on your watch, and you have online, which will open basically the online store with watch faces. Tap on online, and here we have the list of watch faces we can install. So scroll through the list, find something you want to install, and once you find the watch face you want to install, tap on it, then tap on upload and use. It will start downloading the watch face, and after it's done, it will be applied on your watch. As you can see, it was applied. You can also remove it by tapping on delete if you want to, and if you go back to the local page, the watch face will appear right here on the local page, which means basically it is installed on your watch. And you can tap on it right here. Like I said before, you can delete it, and you can change also to the different watch face you'd like to tap on apply to change to the different watch face. Okay, and that's how you install additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.